the channel. Today we're going to do a little unboxing. I got something in, and I wanted to share it with y'all. I haven't opened it yet. So yeah, I figured I'd hop right in and show y'all this for a minute. This is going to be a quick review of this, and then also we're going to do a little tank review right after this. We're going to do a Ned rig challenge, so if that's something y'all are interested in, be sure to stay tuned after this. If not, I guess you can skip the challenge. So yeah, anyways, this is the Shimano SLX. Let's get into it. Alright. So first up, you just got a bunch of paperwork that shows you how to adjust everything, all the parts and all that good stuff. Next up, you got some reel oil, and then you got this. Let me know what y'all think about that. Alright. So as y'all can see, I'm a lefty. So this one right here is a 7-2-1. It's the Shimano SLX, and I have to say I like this. This is a really nice looking reel. You've got the internal braking. I like that. That spins all the way around. So you can pop that up and get it out of the way. And I've never used this reel. I have used Shimano before. I like Shimano, nothing wrong with that. And I've heard nothing but good things about this reel. So I'm hoping to be able to test it out and see how it works. But yeah, that's your Shimano SLX. I love that blue tint, that black and blue. I haven't figured out what rod I'm gonna put it on yet, or if I'm gonna buy a new rod for it. I like the rubber grips. The drag system has that click to it. The tensioner knob is just basically like your regular tensioner knob. It ain't got no sound to it or anything. But yeah, I'm definitely looking forward to using this. I love that blue, that black and blue. So yeah, so that's that. I just wanted to show that to y'all. So anyways, let me know what y'all think about it. I'm excited. So now we're going to get into the tank review. So hey, welcome back. Now we're at the tank. So yeah, today I'm just going to show y'all some of the top Ned rig baits that get used from the top companies. And I just figured I'd show y'all what they look like in the tank. That way y'all can kind of get an idea. That way whenever you get ready to go pick you out some baits or pick you out some Ned rigs or whatever, you'll kind of have an idea of what you want to get or what you don't want to get. So First up, we're going to start with the KVD Perfect Plastics. It's a Ned Ocho, and it's in the red bug color. And all in all, good looking bait. Doesn't seem to stand up very well. But yeah, all in all, I mean, good looking color. That little tail's got a lot of vibration. But as far as like just standing up on its own, don't seem like it wants to, which I'm kind of surprised. But all in all, I mean, it don't look too bad. I like the color of it. And the action's decent. Well, there it finally stood up. And then now it's just sitting there kind of waving around on the bottom. So, all in all, not a bad looking bait. Probably not my favorite, but that's my opinion. Next up, we're gonna do the ZMan TRD hogs, and this is in a California crawl. And as you can see, it stands up like most ZMan baits do. Those little appendages at the end got great movement on them. So all in all, good looking bait. It kind of looks like a crawfish to me. But that's, you know, my opinion. Y'all let me know what y'all think. It even slid down the rock and then still stood back up. So that's good. That's a good looking bait right there. What do y'all think about the action? At the end of the video, I want y'all to comment down at the bottom at the, and let me know what y'all think. Which one was y'all's favorite and why? I do like to get to know y'all, just in case. And if y'all ever need any questions answered or want to ask me anything, y'all feel free to do it. But that's your ZMan Boars, the TRD Boars. Let's see, next up, we're gonna do the Rage Tail Okeechobee Crawl Rage Ned Crawl. It's in an Okeechobee Crawl color. I'm kind of excited about this one. And as y'all can see, there's plenty of action on there. Them little flappers. I mean, that's a perfect looking little crawfish. And that one don't seem to stand up very well either. As y'all can see, it falls down. So it's not very well buoyant at all. But the little appendages on there, the claws make a lot of actions to make up for that. This one right here is probably going to have more action than pretty much all these in there as far as these little Ned baits go. I will give it that. It does have that going for it. And I mean, you can pretty much retrieve that. So this is just a little mini version of the crawl, of the big, you know, the Rage Tail crawl. little mini version of it, but it's got a lot of good action. Them little crawls put off a lot. So, anyways, that's your little Ned crawl from Rage Tail. Next up, we're gonna do the Finesse TRD from ZMan. And this one's in a black and blue flake. And as you can see, it stands up, so it's real good and buoyant. Kind of waves around and stuff like that. I do like whenever you hit the bottom, it like the worm shimmers and it bounces, so that's pretty cool. And like I said, you can sit it there and it'll lay there. But all in all, really good action. Perfect buoyancy, so you can't ask for nothing better than that. And that black and blue, pretty good color. So yeah, that's your ZMan TRD, the Finesse TRD. Next up, we're gonna do the 10,000 fish Sakoshi Bug. Can't have a Ned rig challenge without one of them. These are pretty much kind of like made out of the same material as a ZMan made out of. And as you can see, great action, stands up, waves around. Them little appendages move around back and forth. I mean, and like I said, it stands up and waves around in the air. You can't really ask for much more better action than that. So, let me know what y'all think about it. I know a lot of people liked this in the last video, so had to show it again since we're having a Ned rig challenge. So, yeah, there's your 10,000 fish Sakoshi Bug. Next up, we got the ZMan TRD Bugs. And this one's in a color called the Hot Snakes. It's got like a chartreuse bottom on it, which I really like. Kind of makes it easier for the fish to see it. So here we go with this one. As you can see, that one's got those little appendages, just like any kind of beaver style bait. Those little appendages put off quite a bit of action whenever it hits the bottom. And of course it stands there and stands up like most of them do. Good looking bait. You can see those end pieces, they split open whenever you hit the bottom like that. I don't know if y'all can see it on the camera or not. It might be too small, but those little appendages, they split open whenever you bounce it off the bottom. They just kind of spread open and then close back together, so that's pretty cool. So there's your ZMan Bugs, TRD Bugs. Alright, so next up, I think we're going to do the Xzone Finesse Muscle Back. and this is in a green and pumpkin blue flake. We'll see how the Xzone does. Okay. Not too shabby. It stands up. Little claws wave around in the air. It's in the defensive mode, or defensive posture, however you want to say it. I mean, it's buoyant. Stands up real good. Little claws put off a lot of action. I mean, that thing looks pretty good. Yeah, I can see that just bouncing around the bottom like that and coming through some grass or something, and a bass just popping that off as a little old crawl. So yeah, let me know what y'all think about that one. That was the Xzone Finesse Pro. Next up we have the Ogan Rattlin Ned. And these things are real cool. I'm going to try to see if y'all can hear this or not, but y'all probably can't hear it. If y'all can hear that, there's a little rattle inside these. That's why they're called the Rattlin Ned. So always make sure you hook it on the opposite end to where the rattle's at. So here's this, and as y'all can see, that thing is nowhere near close to being buoyant. But one thing it does have going for it, I think that rattle will probably help the fish to find it. But I mean, there's like literally no buoyancy in that thing whatsoever. I don't even think I even tried. Unless that rattle maybe weighs it down too much for it to do anything, but I don't see that being the problem. So, probably not one of my favorite Ned baits, but that's just me, and I love Ogan products, y'all know that. But, I don't know, I like something that's buoyant. So, yeah, there's your Ogan Rattlin Ned. Let me know what y'all thought about that. And last but not least is going to be the Xzone Ned Zone. And this one's in a green pumpkin purple. And this is going to be the last one. And as you can see, I mean, it's buoyant. Good looking bait. It does have a lot of like shimmer to it, so whenever it hits, that whole worm vibrates, which is real cool. And as you can see, I mean, it'll stand up, and that little tip of that tail makes a lot of vibration, which I really like. I mean, that looks awesome. Almost like the vibration from a I don't know how you'd call that. But anyways, it shimmers. That vibration goes up and down from the tip of that tail down to the head. And so yeah, there's your comparison for it. I'd like to know y'all's input on which one y'all thought was y'all's favorite. So yeah, that's gonna be our tank review for today. Also, I was wanting to know what y'all might think about me, like doing a video of like, you know, I guess putting tackle into my tackle box, maybe like, you know, organizing it or something. If y'all'd like to see a video like that or something, Or let me if y'all have any ideas, let me know what y'all would like to see. I'd be more than happy to try to see what I can do to do something for y'all. So yeah, just let me know what y'all think, and if y'all would like to see that video, just comment in the section, let me know, and I'll be happy to do it. And as always, I appreciate everything y'all do with my videos. I'm not going to tell y'all what to do. Y'all already know what to do, so if you want to do it, do it. And as always, thank y'all, and y'all have a good night. Till next time, be safe.